Hi everyone, it's Dr. Cary here. Welcome to today's webinar where we're going to be talking about back pain, sciatic, and joint pain. And today is day 11 of our journey toward better health. And we started this journey um, 11 days ago where we made a plan that on day 100, we're going to be a lot healthier than we are right now on day 11 or even on day one. So if you have any questions, please type them in the chat here on YouTube. On Twitter and Instagram, please type in the comments. Be happy to answer those questions. So today is day 11, and today I just wanted to go over a few things. One is that we had coffee with Dr. Cary last Saturday, and I really enjoyed that. We had a chance just to talk about our week, how it went. It's a little bit more casual, and I had a chance to take some questions and answer your questions. I'd like to do coffee with Dr. Cary again this Saturday. So if you want to join me Saturday morning, I'll update you as the week goes on the time we can do that. And we went over the past week, what we're planning for in the week coming up. Last week, we focused a little bit more on neck pain and neck stretches and strengthening. This week, I want to talk more about low back pain, sciatica, and nutrition for the joints. So that's what I want to talk about this week. We have a masterclass coming up tomorrow on posture. That's a paid masterclass. If you're interested, just PM me and I can tell you where to get tickets for that. You could go to the link in our bio, click on that on social media, and then that'll take you over to events and webinars, and you'll be able to get a ticket for that. And then there should be a link in the show notes here on YouTube. Clinic hours this week, Tuesday through Sunday, I'm in the clinic. We are taking new patients. So if you're interested in booking an appointment, it's pretty easy. There's a link in the show notes. Again, a link in social media. You just click on it and then book your first appointment, and then that'll give you some options for appointments. Usually we can get a new patient in within 48 hours, and we do have some flexibility. We have later hours during the day. We have Saturday and Sunday hours as well. So our masterclass on posture is tomorrow, and we're going to talk about how you can improve your posture, what you can do for your alignment, what's the best way to support good posture. And that could be your desk setup, your chair, could be your car seat, could be back supports, pillows. So we're going to talk a lot about that. So if you're interested, please join us for tomorrow's masterclass. We did talk about sleep last week and how important that is. So one of the first things I give my patients is a reminder to get some good sleep, because if you're not getting good sleep, it's hard for your body to heal properly. And sleep is important for that rejuvenation process, the rehabilitation. And really, there's a cycle that we have every day, a circadian rhythm that resets every 24 hours. And we need to get about 8 hours of sleep, 7 to 9 hours, depending on the person. And that'll help to reset some of the hormones in the master glands, like the pituitary, the pineal gland, where melatonin is made, and other master hormones in the body. So it's really important that we get enough rest to give our body a chance to heal properly. So that was last week. This week we want to talk about low back. And if you have low back pain, or you know somebody who does, encourage them to join us. And we're going to be talking about what causes low back pain and what you can do to help your low back pain, and what we can do to help you here in the clinic. So we're going to talk about low back pain, and our goal is to reduce pain, improve mobility, improve posture, and enhance your health over these 100 days. And we're on day 11 right now. We're also going to talk about sciatica. It kind of goes hand in hand with low back pain, because the sciatic nerve is one of the largest nerves in the body, and it can be affected by misalignments in the low back. And if you have misalignments in the low back, you can pinch that sciatic nerve, and that goes all the way down to the tips of your toes. So we want to talk about sciatica, what causes it, and what you can do to help. And then we're also going to talk about nutrition this week. And what I want to talk about is nutrition for the joints. And by nutrition, I mean collagen, You might know collagen as good for your skin or hair, but collagen is a very important protein that helps the joints as well. It helps the joints to rebuild. And of course, with increased better alignment, better mobility, that's something we can help you with in the clinic. Then getting the right nutrition for the joints and then exercising those joints is the best way to restore the joint health. The joints do require movement in order for the synovial fluid to flow through the joints. And so it really, it's like a positive cycle. We want to help the patient out in the clinic with adjustments, improve the alignment and the mobility of the joints, decreasing the pain. Then we want them to do exercises, better posture, better shoe wear, all those things to help support the joints and to support the joint health. And then get the right amount of nutrition. And nutrition is collagen and other types of proteins. I'll be going over that this week so that you can learn more about what you could eat and what your diet should include to support good joint health. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today on day 11 of our 100-day journey. I'll be back again tomorrow on day 12. We'll be talking more specifically about back pain tomorrow. So please join me talking about sciatica and nutrition as the week goes on. And then Saturday, we're going to have coffee with Dr. Cary Saturday morning. If you have any questions, please type them in the chat. I think I've enabled the chat now on YouTube. Yeah, there is the chat now on YouTube for this channel. So I'm just going to say hi here. I've got the chat going as well as comments on Instagram and Twitter. So I look forward to talking to you guys there as well. And if you want to book an appointment, just click on the menu or the link in the show notes and you'll be able to see the drop-down menu where we're going to have the webinars, the events, and you'll be able to book an initial appointment there. Okay, talk to you guys soon. Thanks for joining me today.